Today, city leaders are setting their eyes on September and a plan to safely reopen schools. That plan including what to do if coronavirus cases are confirmed inside the classroom. CBS News' John Diaz has more.
Before the first school bell of the year rings, plans for possible shutdowns are already in place, prompting fear for parents.
I know the kids need their education, but they need their health too.
To help prevent the spread of COVID-19, today the mayor and city leaders laid out safety protocols for the upcoming school year that apply to all school communities.
We're really choosing from a portfolio of imperfect solutions. So the perfect solution would be a vaccine. We're back to what we were before.
The school year proceeds over 10 months, and the fact is we don't know what it's going to look like for that whole period of time. We also have to remember our kids and what they've been through, the challenges, the trauma, the dislocation. We owe it to them.
The plan is for students to go back to in-classroom learning 2 to 3 days a week, then remote learning the rest of the week, or parents could choose complete remote learning.
We surveyed parents, 400,000 responses to our survey. 75% want their kids back in the classroom.
But if there's 1 or 2 confirmed cases in a classroom, the whole room will transition to remote learning, while those students and staff quarantine for 14 days. But if there are at least 2 cases in multiple classrooms in the same school, the entire building closes and all students transition to remote learning while contact tracers investigate. If there are multiple cases in one school and contact tracers cannot determine a link between them, the school will close for 14 days with all students learning remotely. Many parents think they should reconsider this plan.
How are you going to track everybody being positive or negative in a school?
This East Harlem mother plans on sending her son to preschool reluctantly, saying it will be hard for her to afford a babysitter if he can't go or has to quarantine.
I don't want to send him, but I got to work. It's like a dilemma. I don't know what to do.
And also keep in mind that if community transmission begins to rise across New York City, all schools will be closed once again and switch to full-time remote learning. From East Harlem, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.